Hello, I'm Mai Shimazoe with U.S. Army Garrison Japan Housing Management Division. Today, I'm happy to announce that there is a project about to begin November 1st to replace all window blinds in U.S. Army Family Housing Unit. This is an example of the new blind. Looks like any other blind, except this one is cordless. I am going to open the blind and close the blind. When you want to change the angle, I pull up a little bit and then pull down a little bit like this. The reason we are installed these blinds is because they are safer, especially with small children. A child head can be caught between strings. New blind remove this child safety hazard. If you want to try this new blind, you are welcome to come to Housing Management Division at Building 671. If you have any question about this process, please contact at 263-5952 or 5741.